So those are some really cool modifications to my water bottle holder kit for your Can-Am Ryker. If you zoom in here, you'll notice that the kit, when you get it, it comes with this spring-loaded adjustable holder. I've got it set for a bottle that's about 3 inches wide. Real nice and easy to just righty-tighty, lefty-loosey the set screw. And now you can put in things that are a little smaller. So this water bottle, for example, is about 2.5 inches wide. I'll put up the metric conversions for those of you that don't live in the US. So this is a nice kit when you get it. I've tried to give you a holder that accommodates a lot of different size bottles. Well, let's zoom into the table. If we take a look up here, there's just a lot of different water bottles out there, guys. For those of you with the open faces, some of you like this style. However, this is kind of a tough fit for there. If you're riding to get a coffee at your favorite shop, you might be getting these disposable cups. Again, a tight fit for there. The shape is just not convenient. You've got your tapered ones. Now, a lot of us, personally, we like to ride our bikes. We go up to the trailhead so that we can go hiking and climbing. These water bottles are the perfect fit for us. They clip onto our belts, but here's the problem. The unique shape just makes it impossible to fit into a holder like that. So today, we're going to show you how to take my Can-Am Ryker water bottle holder, modify it so that you can possibly hold whichever type of water bottle suits your need. All right, guys, so come on over. So what I've got on this side of the table are some water bottles or water bottle holders that I picked up on Amazon that you can swap out for the one that comes in my kit, all right? I'm gonna have to link up for all of these online at the bottom of the description here. And this is that really nice one. This is the one that's gonna be on my bike from now on. This is that fold-in water bottle holder. Now the ones I've chosen here, if you take a look on the table, they're all high quality. Some are relatively inexpensive. I want to say these are like $2. They're all aluminum, but you see they fit that nice squirt bottle style. And then I found this one. Again, this one is all stainless steel, so it's not going to break on you. That's really important. Look over in the bike for a quick second. The one that comes in the kit, the bracket that attaches to your bike, is actually stainless steel. Come around this way for a quick second. This bracket has actually been on this bike for over 3 years, and that's the importance of stainless steel. It's never going to rust. Even if you scratch that, it's always going to look good. So if we go back up onto the table, this stainless steel one, this is going to look like this 1,000 years from now. So that's perfect, and as you can see, it holds that funky shaped water bottle that clips onto our belts when we go hiking. And then this one is actually designed, this water bottle holder is about 20 bucks, so it's a little expensive. It folds up and it's all stainless steel, and it's actually designed to put on boats. So this is for high salt environments. It'll never rust, it'll never fall apart on you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come on over to this side of the bike, and we're going to take off the standard holder that comes with the kit, and then we're just going to swap out and show you how to do a custom job. So when you get this kit, obviously the instructions are included, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. We use 2 stainless steel nuts and bolts to hold the holder itself to the stainless steel bracket. So I'm just going to remove this one right now. I don't recommend using power tools. So you can see, real simple to take off the holder. You don't have to take the bracket off the bike at this point. So if you're doing a simple swap out, this is all you really have to do. Just going to set all of that down. So here is that one I got from Amazon that holds like these squirt bottles. Nice and easy, has holes in it already, and those are going to line up perfectly with the pre-drilled holes. That's how it goes with the Verilog. So you could reuse those screws that come with the kit. Pop that in there, put the nuts and bolts back in, and you're all set. So that's a real simple replacement that you can do to fit those bottles that are more convenient to you, okay? The point is, I can't include in the kit a holder that's gonna satisfy everybody. So we try to give you the adjustable one to meet most people's needs. So as you can see, these simple holders are a nice direct fit. That means you do not need to drill this bracket. Now, some of those other holders I showed you earlier, you will need to drill holes in here, so that's what we're going to do. The most important thing to know when you're going to drill is to uninstall this bracket. Do not attempt to drill holes into it while it's installed on your bike. All right, guys, so before we take the bracket off, I'm just going to do like a test fit where I think I want it. And what's nice is one of the holes, there are 4 holes in this particular holder. It lines up nicely with this first hole in the bracket. So that's nice. You only need 2 holes for 2 screws to attach this. So I think that's a good spot right there. I'm going to use this white magic marker to kind of highlight the hole that I need to drill. So if you take a closer look, you can see I'm going to be drilling that hole, and I'm going to be using this upper hole. So that's nice. Now for the fold-in cup holder, I'm actually going to use these 2 holes because they're already there, and I have nothing on the bracket, so I'm just going to have to drill 2 holes right here. Okay, so that's going to be real easy. So let's take this bracket off. You don't need power tools, just follow the instructions that came in the kit. But I'm going to use a power tool today only because I want this video to go a little faster. Okay, so we got the bracket off the bike. There's the 1 hole we're going to drill into the bracket. But right now what we need to do is put 2 holes onto the fold-in cup holder here. Okay, we're going to use this straight line as a reference. I want the 2 holes to be right smack in the middle so that the holder is equally balanced. So we're just going to line it up like that, and I'm going to put 2 reference points. So 2 holes here and 1 hole into the bracket. What I've done here is I've just set the bracket onto a scrap piece of wood so I don't drill through this table. We're just going to reuse these stainless steel nuts and bolts. Pop them into the new hole that we drilled. And like I said, this top hole already lined up. So that just saved us a little bit of drill time. And now we're just going to put that last nut. Bike. All right, guys, so come on over to the bike. That's going to look really nice when we install it and set it up right there. Just got to put these two screws back in. There we go, guys, nice and easy with a tight fit. And that feels really good against my leg, so no problems. So again, a nice easy way to customize that bracket so that you can get a cup that fits your needs. So again, we're not drilling into the system anymore, so you can uninstall your specific holders without having to take the entire bracket off the bike. Again, we're reusing these screws. They're high quality, so why not? And we're just going to line that up with the two holes that are in the bracket and stretch to get that nut and put the nut in. Just hand tighten all of these down. All right, guys, so really easy to modify my Ryker water bottle holder. You're not limited to the holder that comes in the kit. If you do damage it, I do have a link at the bottom for direct replacements so that you can test it out, see what works for you. I actually like this fold-in one. The reason I like it is that it just doesn't touch my leg at all when I'm riding the bike. I'm the kind of person that, to be honest with you, when I ride, I don't have water and stuff with me. I would say 9 out of 10 times, okay? So this actually might be a great option for me. I don't like that I could feel it against my leg a little bit because it sticks out a little too far compared to the standard one that I sell you. But the fold-up is a nice option, you know what I mean? So you gain one thing, you lose something else. If any of these holders that I showed you might work for you, I do have the link in the description below. You can check it out. Or you could come up with your own holder. Maybe you've got a Yeti, you want to see if the Yeti is going to work good on the bike for you. Again, pros and cons to everything. You can't be everything to everyone, right? You please one person, you make someone else unhappy. But the point is, it's a nice, reasonable, high quality, inexpensive way to safely mount your water bottle to your bike, and it is customizable to your needs. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.